It's raining.
Where's Chris?
He's not going, he's working. What's up and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So today we've got a car show we're going to. And well, as you can see, it's raining. Not exactly ideal car show weather. I always feel bad showing up to a car show with a dirty truck, but I think today we kind of get an exception. And that being said, it's more of an open house for Warfighter Made. If you guys remember, we went to Warfighter Made's open house last year. And really, any event that we can go to that supports the military, we're gonna show up, rain or shine. Especially being that a lot of our group is either prior military, current military, reservists, whatever it may be. We've got a lot of military in our group. Unfortunately, Chris had to work today, but we got Wes with us. We're gonna meet up with Bryant, and hopefully the rain lets up a little bit. That guy in front of me needs some mud flaps. He's throwing up a lot of water. You all probably hear the rumors that when it rains a little bit in California, like you might as well just shut the whole highway system down. Nobody seems to figure out how to drive. Everybody panics and gets absolute chaos. Well, yeah, those rumors are true. Well, first accident. Looks like we've got a jackknife big rig right there blocking a few lanes. So we gotta take a little detour. Looks like we're gonna be a little late to this show. What's up, Wes?
Hey, so I thought Bryant came to this Target in Escondido, but he went to the one at the mall. So he's gonna meet us here, but it worked out perfect because Chick-fil-A's right there.
Oh, you're happy now?
Yeah, so I was just like, yo, just meet us at the Chick-fil-A.
So we're on like stop number 4 today. Wes, let's show them what we got. Well, we gotta let them know we're ready to go into production of your super sweet jumper cable. So Wes has been waiting on getting more material. You guys remember we showed Wes's jumper cables.
So I got a couple spools of 100% copper wire, 1/0. Lots of copper terminals.
All the ferrets.
And then I got some heat shrink.
You don't have a truck, dude? Hey, park right here. That thing's small enough.
This is Christ's chicken.
Oh, let's check out the nice Chick-fil-A bathroom facilities. Oh, no tagging. If you need a creative outlet. That's pretty funny. I like that. What are you doing, dude?
What are you talking about? I get the same thing every time. It's like 905.
All right. Now we're in Escondido, bro. A little more expensive in Escondido.
A large fry is $2.55.
You don't see the manager's Porsche out there? Yeah, we gotta pick the.
Half the meal $3 more. It only costs like 56.
Every time we go to eat with Wes.
I know. Every time.
Every time.
Complains about something.
I got
Say it again real quick for YouTube. $9.69. She added an extra fry.
Bro, what? You're holding up the line, bro.
Film it over here.
Good one?
No, I told her that she rang it up wrong and she's telling me some other shit. I'm like, ma'am, the meal's $8.09. There's no way it's $12 because I upgraded my medium fry to a large fry. The large fry itself is only $2.55. So where's the difference coming from? All right, I know what I'm talking about.
Are we good, Wes? Are we ready to leave?
Yeah, I mean,
you good? You feeling better?
I'm fine. I just,
yeah, I've
just never had to deal with that at a Chick-fil-A before.
That's why I go to In-N-Out, dude. There you go. Yeah, some sweet tea will make you feel better.
Usually I like to get a refill first before I leave the place, but we'll carry on.
I mean, considering we're already 40 minutes late and now it's raining again.
The good thing is, Rich, our good buddy Richard Garcia, Stanson Rich on the
petty officer. What, I don't know what.
Petty officer, third class.
Yeah, all right.
Rich. He actually saving us a spot up there.
Hardest working guy on the channel, fastest guy on the channel. So I guess you're leaving your car here. You're too embarrassed to roll in the Civic.
Yeah, I'm not taking that.
All right.
I mean, Extreme Auto Fest, but you know.
You would fit in an Extreme Auto Fest. Well, it looks like Wes already jumped in the truck. You want to ride with me? You want to see what it's like to live a diesel life for a day?
Sure, all right. I'll put you
all right.
Hurry up, Brian. I need you to hold my dip cup.
No, he's riding with me.
Ryan, what? You want me to see what a diesel feels like?
Oh, Wes is mad again. Hey, Brian pulling through with us, getting us some toys for Tots. Here, Wes, this will make you feel better, buddy. Play with these on the way up.
What kind of fucking generic is this, Brian?
Oh, I'm sorry. I picked them out.
I'm just kidding. These are awesome, man. It's gonna make a kid real happy for Christmas. I I heard the microphone on there. How you guys doing?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, Rich?
How you guys been?
Calm down, Rich.
Calm down, Rich. Rich gotta calm down. What's up, dude? You need us to pull you out, or are you good?
I might have to get pulled out of the parking spot.
It is good to see, I don't see any damage, bro. Have you washed it since?
Yeah.
No damage?
No, I had the video I sent to the group, but it was, there's like, I don't know, maybe that big. There's like 6 of them along the side.
Gotcha.
It's kind of hard to see right now because it's got the California Road Special. It's all dirt.
Yeah, come on, guys. We're showing up to a truck show. Everybody's showing up dirty.
Yeah. That rain.
I know Rich didn't do it. Where's your truck? You wash your truck?
I wiped it. I
They
didn't.
put Rich in the back.
Oh, they put me in the back.
Get old Wes over here leaving the hood open.
Hey, Ben?
What are you showing off? The Chick-fil-A cup, or are we showing off the supercharger? I'm not sure.
You don't follow him? Every once in a while.
Can't reach it.
Come on, Brian. We got to fill this box up, dude.
Trying. Got the extreme rocket.
Oh, what? Can we play with it?
Brian, you know how to make kids happy. I said light ice.
And
this is after
overfilled your ice,
this
dude?
is after they put hot tea into it, so you can imagine it was probably all the way up here. So
Jeez.
that was literally the worst experience of my life when it comes to Chick-fil-A. Like,
So, Wes, we're here to support veterans and the kids today. All right, let's
know,
cheer it up,
it's not
Wes. Cheer it
about
up.
but-
Put a smile. Smile. There you go. What'd you do for Wes and he
I-
didn't appreciate it?
No, I brought him an apple pie down to San Diego. He ate it and he loved it. And
No,
then he
I
asked
never-
for a new one, and I make it, and now he says he doesn't want it.
It was pretty good.
She keeps trying to
Bring
give me her
ice cream?
pie, and I'm just like, Rich, what is going on here?
Ew, you spit.
Wes has had a rough morning. Chick-fil-A tried to overcharge him. So just take everything with a grain of salt today. He's a little angry.
then I said light ice, they gave me like this much ice. No, it was
real issues right
$3
now,
and
guys. We got
And
real
he
issues.
about threw the food back at her.
So they got one of the new Gladiators here, which looks like it's pretty well done up here. Code Red XL. Bryant was just talking like stock, even Jeep stock, they don't look good. The wheels are too small. Like you really gotta throw some money into these things to make them cool. Throw some big aggressive tires on it. This thing looks rad. I mean, I actually do dig it. Got some Max tracks. We could use those for the snow. 40 Mickey Thompson, Baja Boss. That thing's rad. Super clean too. Oh, even got the backup camera. Rear winch as well. I like that little bracket, made in Canada. Brian, we're gonna sell your truck and get you one of these bad boys.
You know, I'm good.
Yeah, so we didn't even mention why you're you're driving around in the Civic. So if you guys remember, Brian's truck is growing up from a 1500 and he's gonna turn it into a 2500. We're still not sure why, but hey, his
Just
money,
'cause.
I support him. So
I just wanted a little change. Just
when's that
something
gonna be
different.
ready?
Hopefully next couple weeks.
So in case you guys don't really know what Warfighter does, they basically take combat wounded veterans and they give them what's called adrenaline therapy. And obviously, you know, if you're fighting overseas, you're constantly pumped full of adrenaline, and when you come back to a boring life, you need that adrenaline therapy. So they outfit a lot of razors, a lot of different crazy vehicles. I don't even know what this thing's called, but basically they outfit them for whatever injury a person may have to enable them to properly drive them. We're getting Wes hooked up right now with his new ride, courtesy of CF Customs. Oh, what could go wrong here?
Need some new wheel bearings.
A lot of trust right there.
Run, run, run.
Stop running your own cars.
Damn, he's heavy. Must be that forehead.
There you go. What do you think? You gonna buy it?
I like it.
How'd the test drive go? It's got pretty good turning radius.
Yeah, it's not bad. Better than your truck.
That's true. Get in there,
Let's
Rich.
go, Richard. All right, let's
You know you've always wanted Wes to push you.
Let's go,
It's been
Richard.
your life goal right here.
All right, have a nice day, Richard. I'm sitting here now. We're cruising.
Actually, like, steer pretty good, man. Yeah, dude.
Man, a bunch of adults come to look at cars, and the most entertaining
riding
thing
around
here
in
is
a wagon.
this little wagon. Where'd they go? They're gonna roll it.
Yeah, jump it, jump it.
How you really feel, Rich?
How do you feel, dude? You out of breath there?
Nah, I feel
I'm rolling back.
Danny and myself from Warfighter Made, thank you very much for coming to our 5th annual open house car show. We started Warfighter Made back in 2012 while I was still an active duty Marine, out of the necessity of, I almost myself became a victim of one of the 22 veterans that commit suicide on a daily basis. So we took that negative and we turned it into a positive, and we dreamt up of an organization that would help veterans that need something to do to kind of take themselves out of their thoughts, out of their minds, and focus that attention more on something other than what is going on up in here sometimes. We originally started doing that by adapting and customizing vehicles for our catastrophically wounded brothers and sisters. Basically our family that went overseas and became amputees or became severely burned due to direct action with our nation's enemy. The two recipients that we have here today, other catastrophically wounded vets, brought them to our attention and said, what you guys do will greatly benefit this individual. The first combat wounded veteran that I'd like to recognize today with a little something special is our man, Mitch. We've only known Mitch for about 4 months. We're working with another combat wounded double leg amputee. One day out of nowhere, he contacted us and said, hey, I have a buddy who is a combat wounded single leg amputee. He is all about dirt bikes. Found himself in a situation where he had to get rid of all of them. I've started to see his connection to the world dwindle away. He started to isolate himself, started to cut himself off, wasn't communicating with people as much anymore. Well, it just so happened that one of our board members, Chris Voorhees, had an extra dirt bike. Chris didn't just stop there. Baja HQ wants to take the bike and they want to make sure that it is absolutely in the best shape possible. We have used what's called a Clicktronic electric shifter in the past on Jesse Williamson's dirt bike, and as a double leg amputee, absolutely rips on a dirt bike, and all our brothers and sisters that never came home. Please accept this motorcycle. So as I said, we're not done. So when I became aware of Kendra, because we hadn't met yet, it was very important for us to do a little research. And Kendra's story is out there. And Kendra's story is amazing. And Kendra's story is not unlike a lot of other catastrophically wounded warfighter stories. And if anyone knows anything about Warfighter Made, everything that we do here is about perseverance. We have a perseverance award given at the Mint 400 or the UTV World Championships, not for the person that won the race, but for the person that never gave up. The recipients of those awards have been people that have cartwheeled their machines down tracks and got it righted and kept going even though the wheels were falling off. And as I look around here, I see a ton of brothers and sisters that no matter what has happened to them, have never given up. Kendra, we agree with Tim 100%. We want to give you something that we hope will help you immensely with that adrenaline therapy, or just to go out and have some fun and really enjoy the opportunities that you have earned for yourself. So on behalf of Warfighter Made, everybody in this room, please accept this brand new latest razor. Built by Oh, and don't worry, MillLG, which is a shipping company, is going to ship this out to you. So
I was about to say that's a
it
long
doesn't go in your carry-on luggage.
Give us a full walk around, because obviously this is all Fab 4's everything.
Yeah, Fab 4 everything. You got the Vical, you got the Grumper, you have the open fender flares that they have. You know, and it gives it that like three-dimensional look. You know, that's what I like about it. You can like, you know, customize it, put a little black in there.
Well, then it opens up your wheel wells more too, right?
Oh yeah, big time. Their whole thing is 40s with no lift. So you could have a stock truck and you could put these fender flares on, no lift, in 40s.
So did you have to cut to get these on? Or they just...
Yeah, they had to be cut.
So I didn't even know Fab 4's made tires or
I know,
wheels.
they're Chimera tires, right? And that's what's really cool too. I was like, holy crap, they make tires and they have a 24-inch rim. Which is amazing because they have wheel rings with these little things where you could put the wheel rings on. They have 13 different wheel rings, and every quarter they come out with a new wheel ring. And I have the saw blade ones, powder coated white.
So what's it like driving with what do they call that?
Vical.
The Vical?
Yeah.
What's it like driving with that? Does it get weird? Can I look at it from this side?
Yeah, hop in.
So I know when Fab 4's came out with all this stuff, it kind of like blew up on the internet because this is something that nobody had ever really seen.
Dude, it's like a transformer, man. Who doesn't want to have a transformer, right?
Oh, so there you go. So you can see he's got an eyebrow, a tint eyebrow on here, and the Vical actually barely comes down below that. So it's essentially kind of like the same thing as just having in terms of like vision or anything like that.
Right.
That's crazy how much it comes up, hides your windshield wipers.
Yep.
That's definitely a different look, man. And
then I have the tint strip right here. It was put on there before, but I'm glad that I have it because then it breaks up seeing that up there, you know?
Yeah. No, I like it. I think it's a good way to hide it. And then you got all the light wiring going up to it for the running lights. Work for it.
Oh, sorry, I rode with Ryan one time, Wes.
Now you want to let you ride with him?
He's all grumpy, yeah.
Wes, you want me to bring you some more food over here? All right, guys. Well, the rain is kind of pushing everybody out. The day is kind of ended. Do us all a favor. Go check out Warfighter Made on all social media platforms. Go check out their website. I believe it's warfightermade.com. If not, I'll put one down in the description. Donate some money. Help them out. They do awesome things. Like you saw the vehicles that they gave away today. None of that is cheap. And, you know, really does go a long ways.
It is pretty awesome what they do. They did the same thing for the Razor last year. That was pretty killer.
Yeah. So with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. And don't forget to give this video a like and a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com.
Roll that outro.
Damn.